wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best 7-year-old girl gifts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Any children who love art will enjoy the safe and fun Alex Toys Simply Needlepoint Butterfly Kit, which allows them to create beautiful crafts and develop a new hobby at the same time. It comes with a plastic needle, yarn, and easy-to-follow instructions. It keeps kids busy for hours, and you can use your own yarn. However, the frame is a bit flimsy. At number 9, if your daughter's jewelry collection is growing and she needs somewhere safe to keep it, then the Enchantmints Ballerina musical treasure box will make a great gift. It has a bottom drawer for large items and 2 side drawers for more delicate things. It plays Swan Lake when opened and includes a twirling ballerina figurine, but it can warp if it gets wet. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Any young girl will love to draw and stamp out her own fantasy story with Melissa and Doug's Stamp-A-Scene Fairy Garden, featuring extremely high-quality wooden stamps, ink and matching pencils. The entire kit allows a child to temporarily live in a land of pretend. It's great for sisters who like to share and includes a diverse set of 20 stamps. However, the ink dries out quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 7-year-old girl gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, patience, creativity and thoughtfulness can all be developed with the Alex Toys My First Sewing Kit. It comes with pre-cut patterns for quick and easy projects that any young one can complete on her own, and 8 colors of embroidery floss. It also includes stuffing and fabric and makes a fun introduction to sewing, but the instructions are vague. Moving up our list to number 6. The cismark knee-high socks are a great way for a little girl to show off her playful personality. Each pack comes with 6 pairs, all with a different design. She can put her fashion sense forward while staying warm in the winter months. They're breathable for more warmer weather too, and one size fits most. They sport cute animal faces on them. Halfway up our list at number 5, with instructions for 50 fun and stimulating experiments, 16 of which you can do right out of the box. The Crayola Color Chemistry Set is ideal for those who love to learn about the physical world by getting their hands dirty. It was developed by scientists and requires just some common household items. It's simple to clean up. At number 4, young girls are usually bouncing with energy, so let them literally bounce around, getting exercise and having fun with the Flybar Foam Maverick Pogo Stick. It's available in a handful of colors and has an encased inner spring to prevent pinched fingers. It's suitable for kids from 40 to 80 pounds and arrives assembled and ready to use, with sturdy non-slip foot pegs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, help your daughter bring her favorite movie to life with Lego Disney's Elsa's Sparkling Ice Castle. She can play games with it that follow the storyline from Frozen, or come up with her own adventures using the icicle tree, sleigh, secret staircase, and more. It comes with decorative stickers and both Elsa and Anna mini dolls. It promotes imaginative play. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 7-year-old girl gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Razor Sweet Pea scooter is equipped with a pink aircraft-grade aluminum frame and handlebar grips accented with fun, sparkling streamers. The handlebars are also height adjustable, so it should be able to grow with her for a few years. It folds up easily for compact storage and boasts a safe patented rear fender brake. Riding it is easy to master. And coming in at number 1 on our list, foster your young lady's burgeoning musical abilities with the J&C Classical Acoustic Guitar. It's fitted with soft nylon strings that are easy on beginners' fingers and comes with a clip-on tuner, 2 picks and a capo, so she has everything she needs to get started. It's offered in 2 child-friendly sizes and handmade by experienced luthiers. It also includes a waterproof gig bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 7-year-old girl gifts, or simply click beneath this video.